Geometry students to class today on this. Finally, it's a Friday, October 23rd. I hope you guys are doing well today, and I hope that you're ready to work hard like you should be ready every day, okay? You really, really should be ready to work hard every day. We will have a test on Tuesday. A test on Tuesday. So please, study hard. Know your theorems, your postulates, your corollaries, your definitions. Know the math problems. Please be ready for this test. At this time, please turn your homework in from Thursday, okay? Make sure your name is on it. So pause right now, look at your homework, and make sure your name is on it, and then please turn it in now at this time. Track 1 incomplete. I'm not sure if we have any. Autumn, I know you're not there today, but hopefully you'll listen to this video over the weekend and get caught up. This was given on Tuesday, and so you need to get that turned in. Next week, we'll say by next Friday, okay? Remember, students, I don't care if you miss one day or many days. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. Unless you have pre-contacted me, it is your job when you are out to stay caught up on your videos. Today we're going to be starting our review for our test on Tuesday. The review sheet is due the day of the test, okay? And the review sheet is, there it is. Now I'm going to keep moving on and talking. You guys can continue to copy this down as I talk, okay? Page 209, those numbers there. Page 213, those numbers there. It looks like about 11, 30, by about 40 problems. But you have the whole class period today and part of the class period on Monday, okay? So I'm giving you plenty of time. This is the review sheet that is worth 5 bonus points on your test. Please work hard on it. Please make sure you're working the problems out to learn something, not just to get them done, okay? There are actually 2 help videos. I took a break in the middle, so Geometry Track 1, Chapter 4 Review Sheet Part 1, Geometry Track 1, Chapter 4 Review Sheet Part 2, okay? So there you go. I will also be giving you time in class Monday to work on this review sheet, but it will not be the entire class period, okay? I am going to give some notes on Monday. We're going to start Chapter 5, but that information will not be on your test. And I will also not give you homework Monday night, obviously, okay? But you'll get all of the class period today and part of the time Monday to work on this. Now, here is the fill-in-the-blank information, okay? Now, you might have to pause the video to get all of this, okay? Here's your definitions. By the way, are you listening? These will not be fill-in-the-blank. Now, they're really easy. Equilateral, all 3 sides congruent. Isosceles, at least 2 sides congruent. Scalene, no sides congruent. Equiangular, all angles congruent. Right triangle, all these are triangles, by the way, sorry. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, etc. Right triangle, one angle is right. Acute, all 3 angles are acute. Obtuse, one angle is obtuse. So you're going to have to write those out. They're not going to be fill in the blank. So these will not be fill in the blank. You will write out the definition in your own words is fine. No theorems 4.2 through 4.10. That's 9 theorems. Know these 3 postulates. That's 3. Know these 2 corollaries. That's 2. Now these, all of these are fill in the blanks. Okay? All of these are fill in the blanks. Alright? Now I'm going to move on. Pause the video if you need to. Also be able to prove any theorems that I have told you to know in your notes. So if I have told you to be able to prove any theorems, make sure you know how to prove those, okay? And that's it for today, students. Please get started with your review sheet. Please take advantage of this time. Work hard. Don't just work on the problems. See what you can learn while you are working on the problems. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all.